Hello everyone. Every tip I'm going to give you here has been tested by professionals at the shop where I'm at, so don't worry. This has a solution. You're driving your Dodge Durango and suddenly the dashboard shows ACC unavailable, service required. And you're thinking, what broke now? Relax. The vehicle can still be driven normally, but the adaptive cruise control, ACC, and forward collision warning, FCW systems have been disabled because they detected something they didn't like. So, why does this happen? In most cases we see repeatedly at the shop, the issue doesn't start with something broken. It starts with something blocked. These systems rely on a front radar sensor and a camera mounted on the windshield. If that area is dirty, mud, snow, bugs, or even built-up moisture, the system literally can't see and shuts itself off as a safety measure. This is where many mechanics simply clean the front emblem area or the windshield section where the camera is located, and the message disappears on its own. That's simple. The system is very sensitive. If it loses visibility even for a moment, it deactivates until it detects normal conditions again. But let's say everything is clean and the message still appears. Then the next suspect isn't dirt, it's electronic communication. These systems depend on several modules talking to each other, like ABS, ESC, the radar module, and others. If there's a failure in the CAN network or an intermittent signal, the system will disable itself even if the radar hardware is perfectly fine. Here's another important detail mechanics often mention. Basic OBD2 scanners frequently don't show the actual ACC or FCW codes. You might scan it and see nothing, but the problem is still there. In these cases, you need a more advanced scanner capable of reading ADAS modules or dealership-level equipment. There are also cases where the problem appears after a minor front-end impact, a windshield replacement, or even improper radar alignment. These sensors require precise calibration. If they're even slightly out of alignment, the system interprets it as unsafe and shuts down. Interestingly, in some situations, the message appears, then you turn the vehicle off, restart it, and it disappears. That usually indicates an intermittent glitch or a temporary incorrect reading. But if it keeps coming back consistently, then it's not a coincidence and should be inspected more thoroughly.